Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to clear recent files in Windows 10 Explorer. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer and navigate to the View ribbon section at the top of the window. Click on the Options button. Once the folder Options window opens, you'll see several tabs. Locate and click on the General tab. In the General tab, you'll find various options related to the appearance and behavior of File Explorer. Look for the section labeled Privacy. Within the Privacy section, you'll see two checkboxes. Show recently used files in Quick Access and Show recently used folders in Quick Access. To clear the recent files, uncheck both of these checkboxes by clicking on them. Once you've unchecked both checkboxes, click on the Apply button, followed by the OK button. Congratulations! You've successfully cleared the recent files and frequent folders from File Explorer. Now, when you open File Explorer, you won't be greeted by a cluttered list of recent files and folders. Instead, you'll have a clean and organized view. Remember, you can always re-enable the display of recent files and folders by following the same steps and checking the respective checkboxes. That's it for today's tutorial on how to clear recent files in Windows 10 Explorer. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.